Hey, Brian Pfeiffer here, marketingmeathead.com, and today I got a great new YouTube tool called morningfame. You're not going to want to miss this. All right, welcome back. On this channel, we teach you how to make money online, a lot of tutorials, campaigns, that kind of stuff, everything to do with affiliate marketing, Shopify, and Amazon FBA. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and bang that notifications bell. All right, so today I wanted to get through this pretty cool channel that I kind of came across the other day. It's more like a tool, not a channel, but they have a channel as well. But anyway, this is called morningfame. Now, morningfame is a free tool. Okay, you can sign up for free, and then what it does is kind of takes your channel and puts out like gives you like your views and everything. It's kind of nice how it all comes to you. Here's an example of an email that went out for a video that I posted. It shows like how many views. This comes back over like the next day, and kind of compares your thumbnail to like different other thumbnails out there, and just to make sure yours is, which one would you click on. That kind of gives you an idea. And in this case, I think my thumbnail on this one looks the best. So that's my opinion anyway. And then it has some search ranking terms. Now this video was not one of the videos that I was trying to really rank. It was just a campaign update, so there really wasn't like any how-to, blah blah blah. So it wasn't like a video I was trying to rank. But here I'm going to have a code here below. If you guys want to check out morningfame, I do have a code, and it is free, but they do have a paid version, which is not expensive at all. And I'm going to kind of walk through that kind of step by step here. And basically, it's just a like a keyword tool. Okay, now this keyword tool is really cool. I started playing around with it today. I actually was gonna kind of walk you guys through what I'm doing, because I'm gonna do this video for morningfame. So I figured it'd be appropriate to set up a basically a campaign and a title and tags and description for morningfame. And this keyword tool is just super useful in getting your video to be relevant and have a high likelihood of getting ranked in Google, because of all the stuff it gives you compared to like just shooting at the hip. So this is what you're going to get with your free version. You're going to get to see here like the full stats on different videos that I've done recently. It tells you subscribers gained, comments, likes, all that stuff. You can get all this stuff on YouTube. It's not that this is kind of nothing really over the top special, but it is kind of cool how it's all laid out here. So you can kind of see like, gives you like a badge of honor here when you get like 15. So it kind of makes you feel good. It's kind of like sort of like gamification here of YouTube, your videos. And I'm sure once my channel gets a little bit bigger, it's going to be pretty useful to kind of just scroll down here and see which videos are really doing the best. Again, there's the tools, especially in the new YouTube Studio Beta, are going to be able to give you all this information as well very easily. But this kind of puts it all into a nice little perspective here. So anyway, let's go over and check out the keyword tool here. And this is kind of where the magic happens. Basically, there's 4 steps, okay, and basically this is where the tool actually is going to measure your like authority of your channel, okay, and then it's also going to measure kind of like the opportunity of like whatever topic you're going to go after, and it kind of takes your channel versus like the competition, and then the topic kind of versus a topic competition, and gives you like basically kind of an idea to go after, where you actually might have a legit shot of ranking. So for the last year or so, I've put out a couple hundred, over 200 and some videos, probably 250 videos, and I never really dove too deep into the keyword research. I just wanted to get out a lot of value to everybody. I wanted to build my channel up. The whole idea was to get a lot of good content out there, stuff that's useful for people that they can take and improve their business and whatnot. I wasn't too really concerned about the keywords and whatnot, but now after doing this for like a full year, 250 videos, channel's up to over 1,200. It's growing at a fairly decent clip now. I think we're almost up to about 100 people per month roughly. We're growing, and now I'm like, okay, now we're starting to see a few commissions come in on different products and affiliate offers that I've pushed. Like Follow Adder. I have a couple videos on that. I have another one for Page Oneify. I just had a bunch of commissions come in for that recently. So it's starting slowly to make a little bit of extra cash on the side. I haven't even got to the point where I can monetize my channel yet. YouTube requires 4,000 watch hours, and 1,000 subscribers. Now I've hit the 1,000 subscribers. I'm well over that, but the watch hours are tough. I've only had about 33, probably close to 3,400. So still got 600 to go. So I'm getting there. But hopefully, hopefully in the next couple months here, I can put out some more quality content and get to that 4,000 and get this thing monetized. Now I haven't even decided. I think I probably will go ahead and apply for the monetization. And I don't know if I'll necessarily run a lot of ads or whatnot, especially in the beginning, because I don't really like promoting other people's stuff, to be honest with you. I don't typically promote other entrepreneurs, like products and whatnot. I kind of look at it like this. We're one of the top affiliates in the country right now. And I think, we have a really good thing going. We got a great product coming out. I'll put a wait list for that below. But the main thing is, I see these guys pushing like Amazon FBA and Shopify. None of these things are like overly hard. They're more time consuming than hard to do them right. And, I have a Shopify store. It's making some money. I have a few Amazon products up there on there that hasn't really made money yet. But I'm going to work on that after I get this product launch. I'd like to figure those businesses out myself, grow them, get them to the point hopefully where they're making money, and then put out my own product. It's like I want to be the guy. I don't want to be giving half the money away to some other guy and building up his brand and reputation when I can, go ahead and prove, that I can do it myself, and I'll just make my own product. So that's kind of the whole reason behind Progress College and setting up like my own educational company. So let's get into the tool here. All right. So let's just say we have a topic in mind. This is kind of the step one. Okay. There's 3 steps. There's choose your topic. There's choose the keyword basically, and then there's a search and evaluate, and then there's a optimize your metadata. Okay, so I'm going to take you through the 4 steps here. You can notice here there's 4 steps, and you can enter a video link that inspired you. Let me go find a video here. All right, this is a video that a guy did on morningfame. Okay, it's like a review. It ranked number 2. It's only had 39 views, so not really too many views here. But I'll go ahead and put that in there and see what this thing spits out. And then the keyword I was going to look for was morning fame. Okay, and notice how it's coming up with more stuff here. So morning fame tutorial. I like that one. Okay, so I put that there. Notice here, like, it came up with a bunch of different keywords. Some are marked as green check marks, and others are marked as X's. So basically, the ones with the X's you're not going to want to go after. It's the green ones here that you're going to want to take a look at, and then there's some like uncommon ones to take a look at, and some common ones. And you can see like the top ranking videos here. I actually watched this video. I haven't watched all these, but you can see what they've got here as far as tags go. And you can actually start jotting down some ideas here off these tags. So this is real handy just to save some time, and you can get all these tags here. And then what you want to do here is go ahead and pick like a keyword. So I was looking at how to, let's see, morning fame review, I think was the one I was looking at. Okay, so let's go here and choose this one for step 3. Now take a look here, morning fame review. This is my competition here, okay? And the people that are competitive for this term have, a little bit more subscribers than me. Average is lower, but my 1216 is ranking in an A competition here. Traffic volume, not so much. I'm not doing so well there. E is pretty much like terrible. D is obviously not good either, but it's not the end of the world. And relevance, okay? And then you want to go in here and see you can actually see further analysis. Let's see. You can look at Google, you can look at Google Trends for YouTube here. Let's see if there's anything that it doesn't have enough data. Okay, so not enough data there. And let's see if we can compare it with Morning Fame. I picked Morning Fame review. So let's take a look at like Morning Fame, how to use Morning Fame. Okay, and I can kind of see here like these are already kind of ranked. Like I got an A here, I got a B here, AA, but there's a lot of red here, so the competition is going to be super high. So I kind of like this one, how to use Morning Fame. All right, so here's the two, comparing the two. So I think just based on looking at this, I'm getting a check mark of 11 here. So I like this how to use Morning Fame a little better. Okay, so Morning Fame review versus morning how to use Morning Fame. They're kind of coming in about the same score here at an 11, but I like this relevance here of the keywords better. Okay, because I like this high potential. So I think I'm going to go with. Let me see if Google Trends has anything on this. I don't think it will. Probably not enough data. No. Okay. So I'm going to go with this one here. Okay. Continue. See, I'm going to choose this for step 4. I'm going to go to that. Now, I mean, this is pretty cool. I mean, this is like doing all the work for you as far as your keyword research. So I know there's some guys out there that have like paid tools and whatnot, but this thing was like $3 a month, I think, when I paid for $3.90 a month, and I paid for a full year just because I was like, wow, this is pretty cool. And this came out to $49 for a whole year. I mean, this is I feel like this tool alone is gonna like grow my channel exponentially over the next year. So for $49, one-time fee for a year, no brainer. Okay. Now you can see here I already started doing the work here to save some time. So I have how to use Morning Fame, and I put how to use Morning Fame in the title. Then I put a bar. I'll most likely add an emoji here too because I like those for my title. Kind of stands out. And to grow your users on YouTube fast, which is another keyword that was very competitive, but I kind of put them both in the title. And then I wrote in, notice here I got 36 out of 40% achieved, 20% out of 20 achieved by writing in this description. I like to put some emojis in my description, and I wrote a nice little, I put some hashtags and whatnot. And then down here, I got only 28% out of 40 with the hashtags. Now I tried to go look and see if I could find some other hashtags that were getting percents here. Notice how they kind of give you like percentages on what it's achieving toward the goal here. Okay, so this thing's pretty cool. You're trying to get up to 89% to get an A. I'm at 84%, but I couldn't really find any other good hashtags. I started poking around in some other videos, and obviously you don't want to spend too much time on this. This isn't, you're trying to you have to shoot the video, you have to edit the video, then you got to put it up, and then you got to syndicate it. I mean, sometimes a video just doing all that could take multiple hours. And I'm a busy guy. I have a lot of affiliate campaigns going on. I have a life besides internet marketing, and I don't want to be stuck doing things for like time. Now, eventually, I'll probably train my VA to do a lot of this stuff for me. But in the beginning, I like to learn it myself just so I can know what the heck's going on, and I can do it over and over again, and then I can train someone how to do it. Okay. So notice here I uploaded my thumbnail, and comparing to the other thumbnails here, I personally this one kind of stands out maybe a little more than mine. He's got that big red YouTube in there. I got the littler play button, but I'll tell you, I'm up there with the quality of thumbnails here that I'm going against, in my opinion. So I got my kind of my brand now with the blue or the purple and the yellow, and then me in there, and I got the play button. So I don't know. Leave me a comment below if you think my thumbnail here is as good or comparable to the other thumbnails. I feel like mine's just as good. And then here, notice here, all changes saved. You can add some notes if you want. This is just a cool tool. I mean, it really, now I can just go ahead and copy my, my description here. I can copy my title, copy to the clipboard, and as I'm uploading my video, I'm just going to go ahead and take all this info, copy the tags, and I'll just paste it right into my video upload, and I'm ready to go. And I should, based on what this is saying, I'm like 84% chance, roughly that I should rank for this video. So that's it. I mean, that's the tool, and it's really handy. I mean, I'm really excited about this tool. I'm gonna start putting it to use on most of my videos. I mean, occasionally I shoot videos that maybe I'm taking a vacation, like I went to Traffic and Conversion Summit. It wasn't like a video that you typically rank for. It was just kind of telling my users about the event. Sometimes I like to do campaign updates, and that's not going to really rank or anything like that. I'm not trying to rank those videos, but I do a lot of videos that I do want to try to rank for. So when I do those videos, I'm going to use this tool, and we'll have to see what the results are. I'll probably do like a follow-up video maybe a month or two down the road here and see how things are working for me. But that's it. We'll talk to you later on the Marketing Meathead. Bye.